answers to common ordering questions in Domino's Pizza. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. In the Domino's FAQs, these are some common ordering questions. The first one, where can I get a receipt? Because Domino's stores are locally owned and operated, please contact the store directly for a text invoice or receipt. Find the phone number via their store finder and then you can contact them. You will get a receipt. And can I make adjustments to an order that has already been placed? If the store has received your order, they may have already started making it. For any changes, you can contact the store again. And other questions, what hours are Domino's store open? Opening hours vary by location. Sometimes it's 10 to 9. It's according to the stores near you. And these are answers to common ordering questions in Domino's Pizza. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.